So at the beginning of my art journey, actually it was years ago, like the first time I tried to become pro and I gave up. The one mistake I did was not drawing every day, and that's what I want to talk about today. So I will tell you why you should, okay? I will give you like tips. So yeah, I've been drawing for a year now, so a big portion of that was actually not drawing every day, which then when I actually did draw for every day, I've realized that I'm making much more progress. So yeah, that's what I want to talk about today. So let's just start. Basically, drawing every day builds a good habit of drawing every day, in which you actually get more disciplined, you become more consistent, and you make more progress. And it's a good thing because now, if you make drawing every day a habit, now it's much harder to actually break that habit, okay? So you become more disciplined, more consistent, and now it's not that easy to actually tell yourself that you don't want to draw because you are disciplined now, okay? And now, obviously, if you will be drawing every day for like a half a year or a year, you will, trust me, you will make progress, okay? But also, to make that progress, don't be a person that only draws their OC or draws one thing or whatever. Just draw multiple things. Don't draw from your imagination, draw from reference. And if you spend like, I don't know, even 30 minutes or like 15 every day for a year, you will make progress. You just need to think of what you draw and analyze it. And obviously it gives you more motivation and momentum that it's hard to stop. So for me, motivation follows action. So I don't just wait to get motivated, okay? Because if that was the case, I would draw for like, I don't know, like once every year, to be honest. But what I do is basically I sit and I draw, and then I get motivated to actually finish that. It's really hard for me to actually be motivated to draw, but recently it's been like, had more times that I actually want to draw and I can wait to start drawing, but before that wasn't the case. So then I just had to sit, draw, and then I get excited about my drawing and being motivated to actually finish it, to actually move on to other painting. So yeah, don't draw from imagination, and yeah, you will improve, and that's a 100% guarantee. So why? Because if you're drawing, so let's say if you draw every day for a year, you will make, obviously, I mean that's not even up to debate, it's obviously you will make more art, you will make more studies, more practices than a person that would draw once a week. So there is no reason why not to draw every day. If you want to practice, if you want to be like, I don't know, a person that doesn't really care about improving their art, then, you know, draw whatever you want. So maybe once a year. But for me, I want to improve my art. So I want to draw every day, and it's not easy. So now I want to tell you how you can actually draw every day, okay? Because it's not easy. So first thing for me is to actually plan my drawings. So what I do is I have a list of characters, of stuff I want to draw. And now I'm not coping that I don't really want to draw because I don't know what to draw, or I don't know what to draw, so I might as well won't be drawing. Now I know what to draw, so I have no excuses to not draw. So yeah, having a plan of what you will be drawing is important. Also, what you can do is like a habit tracker or whatever. Like each time you draw, you can tick something. Maybe it's on Notion or whatever in your, I don't know, in your book or whatever. And also, to help you draw every day, you need to build this habit stronger. You need to basically for every day choose an hour, a time frame, a time, I don't know, block of time where you will be actually drawing. After you came back from school, work or whatever, you can then draw there for like an hour or 2 or 3 or 5 or 10. So imagine the progress you would do in 1 year if you, for every day, you spend 1 hour to draw. Imagine the progress. And it's not easy to achieve, but if you do it, there's no way you won't improve. And if you won't improve, you're probably like a dumbass. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. All my socials are below, so you can go watch them. And thank you. And also subscribe and like and do all the stuff. Thank you.